everybody, it's Carol from Carol's Vintage Treasures, and I have a shopgoodwill.com unboxing of some jewelry that I got. It's an assorted lot of fashion jewelry, 5 pounds, 7.2 ounces. And we're going to open it up and see how we did. Let's see if I could, I got it for $15, but there were a lot of other charges here. See if I can find it. It's $15, $1.67 tax, $12.67 shipping, $5 handling for a total of $34.34. So I'm hoping there's some good stuff in here. I have my ring sizer in case there's any rings. I have my newly acquired magnet, so I could tell if it is gold or silver. There it is. And I have my loop to see if I can see any marks. So let's get into it, because it's going to be a long video. I'm going to warn you ahead of time, because everything's probably a tangled mess. This came from Fort Lauderdale, Florida. And I have no idea if I'm opening the right side or not. This looks like the bottom, so I may have goofed up. But let's go ahead and I'll show you what it looks like. And we will open it up and see what we can find. Not sure how to do this. Should have got a pen or something to sort it out in. I'm going to take it all out of here, put it on the table, and then kind of pull it out a piece at a time. Like that. And we probably got some mismatched earrings in here and a whole bunch of stuff. What I can't sell it on my website on Etsy, I put into craft lots. People use craft lots for crafting. They make things with them. That's just my invoice. That's what I already told you. Okay, let's start checking on what we have here. And I think I'm going to put it back in the box after I look at it. Make more room on the table. Oh, there's a stray earring there. I hope you all had a Merry Christmas, Happy Holiday. I did. I got to see my kids, my grandkids, so it was super fun for me. Got a pair of earrings. Those look nice. Lucky brand. And they're brand new. Originally retailed for $22. And they're from Macy's. They look fine. I don't see anything wrong with them. So we will give those a try. This I am not sure about. Some kind of a necklace, maybe homemade. I don't know. That may go into a craft lot. That's kind of pretty. There's a nice shell necklace, or not a shell, it's a beaded necklace. It's pretty. South Florida, maybe we'll get some beachy stuff in here. Let's see. Oh, look at that belt. Wow. I can imagine there's probably some missing stones in here somewhere. But that's amazing. If you can see all that razzle dazzle. It's pretty cool. Holly's over there nuzzling on her sheet again. If you hear the noise, these are probably some faux pearls. Kind of cute. Let's see what this is here. If the tangling's too bad, what I might do is untangle it and come back. Oh, I hope that's not real. I might have got a piece of ivory. Oh my goodness. This is a big old mess. Wow. Oh, no. There. Okay. This is probably faux pearls. Multi-strand necklace. That's kind of cute. Don't see any kind of a mark or a maker's mark on there. So that's nice. We got this necklace. Figure out how that goes. Looks like a statement necklace. It does have a brand on it. Oh, LC. That's probably Liz Claiborne. Hopefully you can see that. Gotta go up more. Let's see. That's kind of cute. Very vintage. And more faux pearls. There's some cute little beads in there with flowers on them in between the faux pearls. That's cute. Move that box over before it falls. What do we have here? Wow. I'm not sure what we have here. Looks like it might be broken. But there it is. Probably was a statement necklace. And not sure how it came apart or what it was, but that'll probably be going in a craft lot. I had no expectations for this box, so I just saw I could get it for cheap, so I got it. And I needed to build up some more craft boxes, so went ahead and got it. There's a little ribbon necklace. Probably goes like that. That's kind of cute. I don't know what that's hanging there for. Maybe it's broken. Sometimes you can fix them really easy. What we got here? There's a little beaded necklace. We got any kind of a, oh, there is a mark, I think. Let me use my loop and see if I can read it. It's got some orange thread in there. Let's see. Oh, wrong side. Bauble bar. A green beaded necklace. Bauble bar is kind of known for its big statement necklaces and things like that. Oh goodness. I'm going to put that to the side because that feels yucky. New. There's a black and silver beaded necklace. That's pretty. No mark. We have breakage, but that's all right. Someone will use that for their crafting. It's good that you can repurpose things that are broken, so it just doesn't go to the landfill. Now, I'm going to put the really bad tangles aside. That was pretty, but it's broken. No mark that I can see. Looks like I'm going to have plenty of things for my craft box. Craft lot. There's a statement necklace. Don't see a mark on it. It's cute though. There aren't any missing stones. I'll have to look that over really well. Okay. I thought I saw a cameo. I'm anxious to find that and see what it is. You know, they put things like that right on the top, so you'll think, oh, I bet that's good. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm going for the stuff that's not too bad. Ah, fish wire, my favorite. All right, here's another statement necklace. I've got quite a few of these. Maybe some of these are artisan pieces. That's why they don't have a mark on them. What is that? That's a bracelet of some sort. Probably handmade. I've never tried jewelry making. I don't think I've considered myself that talented. That's broken also. And it has a mark. New York. Probably Jones, New York. But that'll go in a craft lot. When you go into these things with no expectations, as long as you don't pay a ton of money for them, it's fun. But if you think it's something great and you pay a lot of money for it and find out it's not, then that's kind of a bummer. There's another faux pearl necklace. Don't see a mark on that one either. I think there's a way you can test pearls with your teeth, but I have never tried it. That does not sound appealing to me. Oh my goodness. Yeah, tangles galore, man. This one has a tag on it. I can get it apart. Hey! There's a nice, that'd be good for St. Patrick's Day. Little green necklace. And it is price $19.99 on this side, $9.99 on this side. So it must have been on clearance or something. But I don't see a tag or anything on it, like a maker's mark. But it's just a cute little costume piece. Let's see. Looks like we got mostly necklaces here. I remember when I used to get jewelry jars, I would get so mad because they would put Mardi Gras beads in there. Like, the Mardi Gras beads are a party favor. They're not jewelry, people. But I think they considered that good filler. I don't know. But now trying to get a jewelry jar around here is next to impossible. So we do other things like auctions. There's this one. It's another good St. Patrick's Day piece. I'm going to try to be good and get all these listed. I listed a bunch of stuffed animals today for my plush shop. And it says New York on it. Probably Jones, New York. But that's really pretty. I like the green stones there. Green. I don't know if they're beads or stones. But sometimes you can find good stuff in things like this because people don't want to take the time to untangle and they just throw it in a box. That looks like a peacock. I don't know if it's all there or not, but it's awfully pretty. Necklace. Let's see, that's probably not gold. Nope. See, if it were gold, it would not attract the magnet like that. But that's awfully cute. Yeah, it's got something on the chain though. It's slimy. Gotta wash your hands really good after you go through these boxes. There's another St. Patrick's Day. Got a little one. That's pretty, huh? All those green beads. Faceted. And there's another. Let's see what this one says. Wow, it didn't want to focus. Come on, man. Oh, Liz Claiborne again. I have been finding a lot of Liz Claiborne, I tell you. And I like Liz Claiborne. It's good vintage pieces in the collection. Looks like we got some coral or something here. I don't know, I'm not very good with stones. Little chips of something. Let's see if I can get it untangled. Okay, so we got that. It's kind of a rose-colored. Pretty. I'm going to try turning my fan on because it just got really hot in here. Sorry if it gets noisy. But that's pretty. Probably not a maker's mark on that. Nope. Here's a darker one. It's pretty too. I just dropped something. Okay. Coming out of these guys. Oh, goodness. That's kind of a beachy necklace. I think it's Izod. This is the cameo I saw. And the pin part is broken, but you can still hang it on a necklace. So that was laying on top of the pile. It's kind of pretty. So I would have to sell it as a necklace since the pin's broken. Because I don't know if you can see that, but the pin that goes across there is gone. All right. I want to thank everybody for the nice comments I've been getting. I've got a lot of help with that clothing box I got. And if you recognize anything here or know anything about it, please feel free to let me know. This is a bracelet, and it says, I don't know what it says. Maybe it's upside down. No? Rethink, reduce, reuse, and recycle. All the re's. What we got here? Looks like an earring. Let's put the earrings to the side and see if we have any that match. There is a suede, like, I guess it's part of a necklace, but it is gunking everything up here. I was hoping I could get it out of there so it stops doing that. Maybe free up a few more things here. So the way you make craft lots is you get it all together. What I usually do is I lay it out flat and I take a picture of it. And then I show a picture of it on a scale to show how much it weighs. And I sell it by the pound. I think I've got one craft lot left in my jewelry store if you want to go there and look at it. It is Carol's Jewelry Quest on Etsy. I'll put a link down in the description too if you want to take a look. Well, that is just not going to untangle. Okay, let's see what else we can find. I know you're probably getting bored with me. Here. Maybe. We got something here. It's a multi-layer necklace. Faceted purple beads. Do we have a maker's mark here? Let me look. I think I saw a C. It's just got a C on it. I think that's Charming Charlie's, maybe. But that's what that looks like. And there is a bracelet. It's got a hand and a blue stone on it. Let's see if I can read it. Peace, strength, protection, prosperity, and power. And there's a hand with a blue stone in the palm. So there's a little prosperity bracelet. So you can be prosperous. What we have here, something with a magnet closure. Oh my goodness. Are you eating, young lady? Oh, eat your toy. Sorry about that. She had a piece of her toy gnawing on it, trying to eat it. Okay. Okay, that's kind of entangled. I'll have to work on it some more later. And this is NY again. That's what that looks like. Been working on this suede necklace here. Not making much progress. So have you had any luck with Goodwill auctions? Let me know down below what kind of an experience you've had. I do it every once in a while now. I'm trying to get rid of stuff that I have. You know, I have a lot of stuff from my antique booth still. I'm trying to get rid of. It's mostly vintage stuff, so it takes a long time to get listed and take pictures of it and all that stuff. Oh, I thought I almost had that one. This is a lot of hard work. Okay. Let's see if we can pull something easy out of here. That one's broken. That's a cute little green beaded necklace. That'll be nice in a craft lot. There's a bracelet with beads. Yeah, my magnet made it right to the middle of all that stuff. Okay. Boy, I hope we find something good in here. There's just a regular necklace. Gold toned, like a link necklace. It's kind of a something there. It's just the letter V. I don't know what that means. There's so many jewelry marks. The best I can do mostly is to look them up online and see if I can find them. If not, there are other ways. I mean, you can ask people online if you belong to any kind of a Facebook group, things like that. Okay, here's a little broken rose pin. No, that's not a rose, it's a deer. That's a deer with a broken antler. And here is a necklace with a fish wire I don't like. It's got a magnetic closure. Well, maybe not. Yep, it does. Magnetic closure. All right. Well, not so good so far, but we'll see. Looks like a little kid's necklace, maybe? With a teddy bear or something. There's a probably handmade beaded necklace. It's cute. You see, I still have all this. Oh my goodness. Let's see what this is. This is a teddy bear necklace. And probably a little kid's costume piece. Does have a mark on it. Oh, it says S steel, so I guess it's stainless steel. And that's that. I'm really getting to dislike this suede necklace. And there's another one too. There's two of them. There's another earring. Looks like they're all singles. Oops. I've still got that box coming of jewelry from Goodwill Blue Box. We'll see how that does. Some of these I'm just not going to untangle all the way. I think you can get an idea how it goes. Looks like a multi-layer necklace with coins on it and stuff. Okay. See that? Let's see. Didn't mean to slam that in there. There's a blue turquoise colored beaded bracelet. There's a black beaded bracelet. There's an earring. Oh my goodness. Let's see if I can pick some stuff out of here. There's another bracelet, a copper colored bracelet. I got another one here, but it's tangled with something else. Let's see. Well, I'll show you that. It's got something right there all tangled in it. There's the rest of the antler for the ring for the deer. I think. Alright. So at least we got plenty of stuff for some craft lots here. There's a bracelet, a necklace. And there is a mark. Icing. That's a mall brand. Kind of like Claire's. Alright. Oh, there's a cute little heart. Is that, oh, it's broken. Guess it doesn't matter. But that was cute. Looks like it's got, oh, it says love on it. And that was 18-karat gold plated. I put that to the side, even though it's broken. I think that's another piece of the antler from the deer. Poor little guy. And hey, we got a pair of earrings here. Although I don't think they're too great. At least we got a match. I got this box one time. It was so nice. They put all the earrings together in the box. It was just so nice. But most of these, you will find they just dump it in there. Like this. So, trying to break free from the suede. Ooh, almost got something here. Well, I hope you guys had a happy holiday, and you're trying to make your New Year's resolutions, I bet. I'm going to make a resolution to get all my booth stuff listed so that I can get it out of here. It's taking up too much room. I got a lot of good stuff, but it's just with working full-time, it's hard to find time. Well, I'm not really working full-time anymore. They cut me down to 30 hours a week, which I figured would probably happen after Christmas. Anyway, that's retail for you. I was even told that if you work too many hours, they would terminate you because they don't want you to be full-time. They don't want to have to offer you benefits and stuff. So that was pretty crappy. But I'm just gonna work as many hours as I can and try to build up my business. And that's that. It's kind of disheartening. You find something you really like doing, and I don't know. They did tell me it could possibly turn into full-time, but now they're backtracking, which really sucks. Okay, well, I found that. That is part of a necklace, I'm sure. Hopefully the necklace part is in there. There's a pretty purple stone. That's really pretty. And sorry, I didn't mean to be a Debbie Downer there. Trying to find stuff to talk about, and it's taken so long to untangle this mess. But, oh my goodness. I almost have this, but it's just one little strand that's being a bear. Speaking of bears, I put some cute little teddy bears in my plush store today. A lot of stuff in there. Man, I got that Goodwill plush box. I had to get that up there. And I've been getting a few things here and there. Well, there is a bracelet. I'm trying really hard. I'm almost tempted just to cut this suede thing, because I know it's not going to be sellable anyway. Let's see if I unhook it. Maybe that will help. Kind of like untangling jewelry. Maybe I'm weird. It's relaxing sometimes. You feel so accomplished when you get it all done. Sometimes. Okay, I'm going to cut this because I've had enough. And I know this little suede thing is not going to sell anyway. So there, take that. Right. Sometimes you just have to. I mean, you can still put the rest of it in a craft lot, the good part. Or actually all of it, because they can repurpose it. Okay. I got most of this out of there now. I've got this little elephant thing here. I don't think it's real. I think it's plastic. I don't like the idea of that. Oh my goodness. Okay. It's already broken anyway. Okay, here is the elephant necklace or whatever it is. Tell me what you think. Looks like it's handmade because there's a little loop to put over the bead. What do you think about that? How do you feel? It symbolizes a tusk, and I don't like that, because elephants are killed for their tusks, and that's pretty sad. But I will look into that further. Let me know what you think down below. It's probably plastic. I'm probably making a big deal out of nothing. All right, there is part of a necklace. And this is that horrible suede mess that I'm just going to throw over here. Okay, maybe we can get the rest of this and find something good. Oh, we still got suede. I can't get rid of it. Oh my goodness. I hope I haven't lost you guys. Goodness. the blue box is better than this. It took them a long time to ship this. Usually they ship them out within a couple of days. I think this took a couple of weeks. And I sent them a couple of emails saying, hey, are you going to ship this out? Nobody ever answered me, so did not like that. You have to email the individual Goodwill store that put it up for auction, and it's up to them to get back to you for customer service. So, and it was right at Christmas time, so I understand things are busy, you know, so I just waited patiently after that. Oh my goodness. My magnet is not helping the situation. Okay. I used to work in a department store in the jewelry department, and I'd find stuff on the table all the time like this. I'd have to untangle it and put it back on the rack or whatever. I'm sure this is nothing, but that's what was causing a lot of the problems. Oh, it's still okay, I guess. It's a magnetic necklace. Okay. Now, my first week, it was at Woolco. I don't know if you guys remember Woolco, or if you're old enough. I was a jewelry department manager. I was only 20 years old, and my first job was to take all 14 karat gold and mail it back to the manufacturer, because we weren't going to have 14 karat gold anymore. And I had to take the security guy with me and everything. It was something else. But I got that. And I don't see a mark on that one either. I'm sure it's magnetic. Yep. One sure way to tell. Excuse me. Oh my goodness. That was horrible. Down to the nitty gritty here. And Holly's going, are you going to ever be done there? Okay, I'm not going to try to untangle anymore. We have this one. And it looks like it's latched together with two hooks. So I don't know what's going on there. And more suede. Oh my goodness. I want to just cut it, but I don't know if it's to a different necklace or if it's that same necklace. Okay. See some faux turquoise. Probably some painted howlite. Well, I was trying to untangle this necklace. That's awfully pretty, but I don't think it's anything. And there is the turquoise colored howlite. And it's probably on this suede colored necklace. So I will try to untangle that later on, and I will let you know if it was anything special. There is a heart necklace, very delicate. I don't think I'm going to get that out of here either. But sometimes you have to work with things for a while. So that says Coach. Got some something that's Coach. There's Coach in here. Oh my goodness. Maybe that's incentive to keep untangling to see what it is. Oh my. Well, this is the last little tangled mess. Let's see. There's a necklace that was broken. Look how dirty my hands are. I don't really want to wear gloves because I can't feel things. If I have like latex gloves on, it's hard to feel through that. So I just wash my hands really, really well when I finish here. And try not to touch my face or my eyes or my mouth. I am just really curious to see what was the Coach item. Or I would just pitch all this. Oh my goodness. The things we do to torture ourselves. You know, if any of you guys have YouTube channels and you'd like to do some kind of a challenge, let me know. Maybe we could do a stuffed animal box challenge or a clothing box challenge from Blue Box or something. Let me know if you want to do that. We could do some kind of a collaboration down below in the comments. Let me know. Oh gosh, this is awful. Couldn't have been that, could it? Is that Coach? It's a cross. I'm going to have nightmares about suede necklaces tonight. I'm up kind of later than usual tonight, so I don't have to be at work at the crack of dawn. I have to be there at 8:30. So I thought, why not open this box I've had forever? Okay. I don't know what to do here. Let's undo this. If it doesn't give in a couple of minutes here, I'm just going to stop. Maybe that did the trick. I just want to see what the Coach is, that's all. Is that too much to ask? I think it was on a gold chain, if I remember right. Though everything's kind of a blur right now. I used to take a straight pin and go through the knot on the jewelry. And that's a good way to untangle too. When you get really hard, bad tangles like that. Oh my goodness. This better be good. I guess I could sing a song for you. I won't put you through that torture. Since I'm not monetized yet, I don't know if I'd get a copyright strike. That's my goal, to get monetized someday. But you have to get a lot of subscriptions, and I'm not even partially there. So if you want to help me out and subscribe, it'd be deeply appreciated. Oh gosh, I can't even get this. Well guys, I don't think it's gonna work. I'll show you what else I got. I got that. And this is something with a heart on it. But I'll work on this, and maybe I'll let you know at the next video what this big old crumple of stuff was. This is the one that says Coach. Trying to see what this necklace goes to. So it's something like that. So I'll work on this, and next time I have a video, I will bring it out and show you what this crumpled mess was. But I don't think we're getting anywhere. So I don't know if I showed you that already, but that's a bracelet. That is an earring. That's an earring. That's an earring. That is. I already showed you those. So we only had one pair of earrings that had a mate to it. I will work on this, and I will show you in my next video what we had. But there's something from Coach in there, and I'm very, very curious to see what it is. So I'm going to go ahead and stop now. I'll come back next time with our other unboxing of the blue box jewelry to see what we got there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of the box. And I will see you in the next one. Happy thrifting.